This is a bag. No.
Hi channel. Welcome back to channel. Hi Valley.
Hi guys. So we're coming at you with some Burger King, and guess what? The new spicy popcorn chicken came out. And you know me and my spicy food. I had to go and cop me some of that right away. Oh yes. And of course.
I got pop. We don't have chocolate milk. So just go ahead.
She usually gets chocolate milk, right baby? But today we're sharing a Coke.
Yeah.
Let's see. This is what the spicy popcorn chicken comes in, and this is how it looks.
Mom.
Yes, love?
Where's my chicken nuggets? No, where's my
Fries.
fries?
Hang on.
Where's my fries?
Oh my gosh, you guys.
Wait, where's my fries?
They're not that spicy, but mind you, I'm only one in, so you know some stuff, spicy stuff you eat, and it gradually gets spicier. Loves, I'm sick. Don't mind my sniffles and that nonsense in my voice. Ugh, horrible. I wanted to show you guys what Sephora gave me for my birthday for free. You can pick two things. Let's finish this. Second one. So, like I pointed out earlier, oh, you bang the table, love, be careful. So, like I pointed out earlier, some stuff that you eat over time gets spicier, and that's kind of like these.
I saw.
Nice and crunchy. You're banging the table, baby, be careful.
I can see it.
Yeah.
There's a Coke.
Pepsi, baby.
There's a Pepsi.
We're a house of Pepsi drinkers. Do you guys drink Coke or Pepsi? If you drink Coke, comment a red heart.
Pepsi.
Yeah.
There's a
What color is this?
Pepsi.
Yeah, what color is this one though? This part?
Green.
No, it's
Blue.
yeah.
It's spicy.
How's your burger?
What?
Show them what they got. Show them what you got.
Yes.
I'm gonna give them a bite of my popcorn chicken. They took a bite.
It's spicy.
Wow. These spicy popcorn chickens are mint.
Took a bite.
Okay. Do you want some of this?
Huh? That's it.
Nice manners, my baby.
Yeah, pop was there. I got fries.
So,
I called the.
now that I reviewed the spicy popcorn chicken for you guys, I'm going to show you guys what I got from Sephora for free on my birthday. This is a bag. No. I got a Kat Von D set. So there was a choice from this. Do you need a Kleenex? Okay, so there was a choice from this, or, excuse me, this, or another little box like this that came with a cleanser and a moisturizer. So this comes with 3 things. So cute. You want to look at the box, baby? This is what it comes with. Look at it. The first thing is the Locket powder. This is how small it is. Hang on a second, love. And it is the translucent setting powder. Okay, show them the liner. And that is the tattoo liner.
Look at mommy tattoo. It's so my God.
You're
So,
banging the table. Okay, keep showing them. Show them with your hands, remember?
wow. Look at this.
Like this.
That.
Okay.
So,
This is the tattoo liner.
yep.
And this is how small it is, as big as my palm.
Some brush.
Oh, hang on, baby. I'm going to swatch it for you
It
guys.
smells good. And so, we're going
Nice.
to make makeup. So,
The brush is nice and sharp.
ready.
Oh, no. We can't open this one. Okay, and then the last one is a sample of the 3 lipsticks.
Let me see.
Okay, just a second.
Let me show them.
Okay, this is Outlaw, this is Latia,
Let me show them.
and this is a Vampire.
Let me show them.
Here, show them.
Lipsticks.
Yeah, show them. Show them the colors. Tell them they're all red, dark red.
This is red, blue, this is red, and purple. This is my part, so open the channel.
So, as long as it's your birthday month, you can go there and get 1 free thing for your birthday.
Let's get eating.
Show your ID with your birthday if you do not have an account there. I have an account, so I didn't need to show my ID. But that's what I got from Sephora for my birthday. Guys, I'm so excited. I can't believe Paris is just around the corner. It's literally like a month and a half. Holy shit, it's like a month and a half away. Oh my gosh, it's like almost... I'm freaking out. You know what? Okay, I gotta get some raffle baskets together, you guys, and please stay tuned for that. I'm linking all my socials down below. Add me up, follow me. Please, the support is greatly appreciated. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching this video. I appreciate it so much. I always say, even if I only had 4 subscribers, I'd still be sitting here making videos because I just love it. Anyways, I'm almost at 400. Hashtag road to 1K. Hashtag road to 1K. I'm like, hashtag road to 1K. Okay, see you guys. Stay tuned.
What do you mean? There's no film.
You haven't been eating.
What do you
Yep.
mean?
Okay, come on, let's eat. Hurry up, let's eat then. For them. She's obviously done. Okay. Thank you, baby. I love you guys. Blow them a kiss. Oh.
What do you eat?
You're not even eating. Okay, blow them a kiss.
I wanna eat. What do you eat? What do you eat? That's not film. What do you
Kiss them.
eat?
Bloopers! Did you get something in your eye?
Yeah, I'm going to
Let's see.
put my
Let's see.
eye. Put my eye. And just pop in that.
I am so excited. It is so much closer to February, you guys. I can't believe I'm going to Paris. I'm recording.
Boom!
Okay, let me do that again. You guys, I'm so excited.